With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us solve this question. The question says that designate each chirality center as R or S in the given compounds, first, second, third, and fourth. So in this question, 4 compounds are given and we have to designate each chiral center in these compound as R or S configuration, right? So first of all, let us discuss the chirality center. What is a chiral center in a molecule? Suppose we have a carbon atom and 4 groups are attached to it. Suppose A, B, below the plane we have C, which is denoted by a dashed line, and then D, which is denoted by which line is above the plane, right? These 4 groups are attached to it and all these 4 groups are different, right? So when carbon is attached with all 4 different groups or atoms, then we said that this C, carbon, is the chiral center, right? It is a chiral carbon. Now, how we will give R and S configuration to this carbon atom? What we have to do, these 4 groups which are attached to this carbon atom will be given priority, right? And priority is given according to atomic number. So now suppose that according to atomic number, the priorities are given such that 1 priority is given to D, 2 priority is given to A, 3 priority is given to B, and 4 priority is given to C, right? Now what we will do, we will rotate according to number. So according to 1, 2, 3, 4, the rotation will be like this, right? And this rotation is anti-clockwise. So always remember that whenever the rotation is anti-clockwise like this, the configuration will be S. And whenever rotation will be in clockwise direction, then the configuration will be R, right? Provided that the group having priority 4, it should be below the plane. That is, it should be like C, on a dashed line, right? Group 4th should be on dashed line. If group 4 is above the plane, it is given on wedge line, then we will inverse this. This R and S configuration in that case will be reversed. Now let us see the option first and compounds given in first and second. Now in first, carbon is attached to 4 different groups, right? Now here carbon is attached to carbon, here carbon is attached to bromine, here carbon is attached to phenyl group. Now in phenyl is basically C6H5, so it is attached to carbon only, and here carbon is attached to hydrogen. Now bromine has highest atomic number, so bromine will be given priority 1. Then we are left with 3. Now phenyl is basically C6H5, or you can show phenyl like this, right? So this is phenyl. Now here carbon is attached to only hydrogen atom. Here carbon is attached to 2 more carbon atoms. So next priority will be given to phenyl group. Then we have CH3, priority will be given to this. Then priority will be given to hydrogen. Now if you rotate 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So rotation will be like this. Rotation will be like this. And this rotation is clockwise. So according to clockwise, the configuration will be R. The configuration will be R. And fourth group is on dashed lines. So configuration will be R. Now let us check next compound. Now here carbon is attached to phenyl, tertiary butyl, OH and hydrogen. Now in phenyl, carbon is attached to carbon. Here carbon is attached to oxygen. In tertiary butyl also carbon is attached to carbon, and here carbon is attached to hydrogen. So priority will be given to OH group because oxygen has highest atomic number. Then we are left with 3 groups. Now if we compare phenyl and tertiary-butyl, so basically phenyl is like this, and tertiary-butyl is CH3, CH, CH3, CH3. So basically from here carbon is attached, right? So as you can see, in phenyl carbon is attached to this carbon atom, right? And this carbon is attached to 2 more carbon atoms. In tertiary-butyl carbon is attached to this carbon atom, and this further attached to 3 carbon atoms. So priority will be given to tertiary-butyl. So second priority will be given to tertiary-butyl, then phenyl, then hydrogen. Now if we rotate here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, so the rotation will be like this, right? Now this is basically anti-clockwise, and according to anti-clockwise the configuration should be S. Configuration should be S. But we will inverse the configuration. Inverse the configuration because hydrogen should be on dashed line, but it is on wedge line. So we will inverse the configuration. So we will get R. So its configuration is R. R is the configuration. Now we will check the third and fourth compound. Now in these compounds also we have to use the same rule, but always remember that fourth group should be present on vertical line. Fourth group should be present on vertical line. If it will be present on horizontal line, then we have to reverse the order. Now let us check here. This is the chiral center, right? Now here it is attached to cyanide, CH3, CH2OH, and here C triple bond CH. Now first priority will be given to CH2OH because here carbon is attached to nitrogen, here carbon is attached to hydrogen, here carbon is attached to another carbon, and here carbon is attached to oxygen, and oxygen has highest atomic number. So first priority is given to this. Then second priority will be given to CN because carbon is attached to nitrogen, and nitrogen has more atomic number in comparison to carbon and hydrogen. Then in comparison of CH3 and CCH, priority will be given to C triple bond CH because here carbon is attached to another carbon, but here carbon is attached to only hydrogen. So this is 3 and this is 4th. Now rotation will be like this, 1, 2, 3. So rotation will be like this. Now this rotation is clockwise. So according to clockwise, the order should be R, but fourth group is present on horizontal line. So we will inverse the order. So here the configuration will be S. So S is the configuration of third compound. Now we will check the fourth one. Now here priority will be given to NH2. Carbon is attached to nitrogen because here carbon is attached to carbon, here carbon is attached to carbon, and here carbon is attached to hydrogen, and nitrogen has highest atomic number. Then it priority will be given to this because here carbon is further attached to oxygen. but here carbon is only attached to hydrogen. So third priority this and fourth priority will be given to this. So here the order will be 1, 2, 3. So it will be like this, right? And this is clockwise, and clockwise should be R. But as you see, fourth group is present on horizontal line, so we will inverse the order. So when we inverse, it becomes S. So S is the correct configuration, right? So these are the configuration. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.